Oftentimes, the greatest challenge in romance is getting someone's attention in the first place. Even if a woman seems disinterested, there are strategic ways to make her take notice. In this video, we'll talk about the 7 powerful techniques to captivate her interest, regardless of the current circumstances. To make a lasting impression on someone special, it's important to offer them something unique that they can't find anywhere else. This could be a thoughtful gesture, a personalized experience, or a one-of-a-kind gift that showcases your understanding of their interests and preferences. One way to do this is by putting in the extra effort to create a personalized experience. This could be planning a unique date night that incorporates their favorite activities or interests, or surprising them with a thoughtful experience that shows you've been paying attention to the things they enjoy. For example, if they love art, you could arrange a private tour of a local gallery or museum. Or if they're passionate about a certain hobby, you could plan a special outing or workshop related to that. The key is to make it something they wouldn't be able to easily replicate or find on their own. Another approach is to offer a unique gift that demonstrates your creativity and attention to detail. This could be a handmade item, a custom-designed piece of jewelry, or a thoughtful compilation of their favorite things. The goal is to create something that feels truly special and tailored to their individual tastes and personality. By putting in the time and effort to make it unique, you'll show them that you value them and have put a lot of thought into making them feel special. Second, don't contact her. When you and your ex-girlfriend break up, it's natural to want to reach out to her and try to win her back. However, constantly contacting her and chasing after her is actually the opposite of what you should do. By not communicating with her for a while, you create a sense of mystery and independence that will make her start to miss you. When you're not constantly available, she'll have time to reflect on the relationship and start to wonder what you're up to. This will keep you on her mind, and she may even start imagining you with other women. This distance and independence from you will make her crave your attention more. It's important to give your ex-girlfriend some space and time to miss you after the breakup. If you're always available and reaching out, she won't have the chance to realize how much she misses you. But when you stop contacting her for a while, she'll start to wonder why you're not talking to her anymore. This sense of mystery and independence will make her curious about you and what you're doing. She may even start to see you in a new light and realize how much she values you. By not contacting her, you're showing her that you're confident and secure in yourself, which can be very attractive. Ultimately, by not contacting your ex-girlfriend for a while after the breakup, you're creating the perfect conditions for her to start missing you. When you're not constantly available and chasing after her, she'll have time to reflect on the relationship and realize what she's missing. The sense of mystery and independence will make her curious about you and start to crave your attention. So if you're hoping to win your ex-girlfriend back, give her some space and time to miss you. It may be difficult, but it's one of the best ways to make her realize how much she still cares about you. Third, show her you're still living your life. When it comes to moving on after a breakup, it's essential to show your ex that you're still living your life and thriving. Social media is often the first place your ex will check to see what you're up to. So it's crucial to post about your successes and fun times, even if they seem small. This helps your ex see that they're missing out on your life events and makes them feel like they want to be a part of it again. By doing so, you're not only showcasing your own happiness, but also giving your ex a glimpse into the life they're missing out on. Posting about your successes and fun times can include sharing photos or videos of your adventures, accomplishments, or simply enjoying time with friends and family. This helps your ex see that you're moving on and living your best life, which can be a powerful reminder that they're not the center of your universe. Additionally, It helps you maintain a positive mindset and focus on the good things in your life, rather than dwelling on the past. By doing so, you're taking control of your narrative and showing your ex that you're not waiting around for them to come back. Fourth, don't give in to the attention bait. When dealing with an ex-partner who is trying to get your attention, it's important to resist the temptation to engage with their attention bait. This refers to situations where they may post attractive photos, cryptic social media updates, or other content designed to elicit a reaction from you. The best approach is to simply ignore these attempts. By not liking their pictures or responding to their posts, you're denying them the attention they're seeking. This can be frustrating for them, as they'll notice your absence among their usual admirers. Resist the urge to engage, as any reaction, positive or negative, can be interpreted as a win from their perspective. Instead, focus on your own life and moving forward. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family, pursue your own interests and goals, and don't give in to the temptation to get drawn back into the drama. With time and distance, the need for attention-seeking behavior will likely diminish, and you can continue to heal and grow without being pulled back into the past. Fifth, when she reaches out to you, don't be overly eager. When the person you're interested in finally reaches out to you, it's important to maintain your composure and avoid coming across as overly eager. Expressing too much excitement or enthusiasm can sometimes be a turn-off, as it may make you seem desperate or needy. The key is to keep your responses simple and vague, yet still polite. For example, a simple "Hey, how are you?" is a cordial way to respond, but it's also distant enough to pique the other person's curiosity. This approach helps to create an air of mystery and intrigue, making the other person wonder about your true feelings and intentions. By staying composed and avoiding overt displays of excitement, you'll come across as confident and self-assured. This can be an attractive quality that draws the other person in and makes them want to learn more about you. Remember, the goal is to maintain a sense of balance and control, allowing the other person to take the lead and gradually become more invested in the interaction. 6. Create a bit of jealousy. Creating a bit of jealousy can be an effective way to reignite your girlfriend's interest in you. However, it's important to approach this strategy with caution and respect for your relationship. One way to spark her curiosity is by posting a picture with friends that includes another woman. This can make her wonder about your relationship with that woman, which can evoke feelings of jealousy. It's important to note that you don't actually have to be dating someone else. The goal is to create a bit of mystery and make her curious about your interactions with other women. Another approach is to post about your celebrity crush. This can have a similar effect as posting a picture with another woman. It can make your girlfriend wonder about your interest in that celebrity and how it compares to your interest in her. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that this strategy should be used sparingly and with sensitivity to your girlfriend's feelings. Overusing this tactic or taking it too far can backfire and damage the trust in your relationship. 7th, give her a unique nickname. Giving your partner a unique nickname is a great way to create a special bond and keep you in her thoughts. The key is to choose a nickname that is meaningful and personal to her. This could be based on her favorite food, TV show, or something that reminds you of a special moment you shared. When you use this nickname, it triggers an associative memory in her mind. Every time she hears it, she'll think of you and the positive feelings associated with that nickname. This helps to strengthen the emotional connection between you and keeps you at the forefront of her mind, even when you're not together. For example, if your partner loves chocolate, you could call her Choco or Coco. If she's a big fan of a particular TV show, you could use a character's name as her nickname. The more personal and meaningful the nickname, the stronger the association will be. Just be sure to choose something that she'll appreciate and that reflects your unique relationship. Lastly, take the opportunity to teach her something new. Women tend to be very interested in learning from men they look up to and admire. If you can share a skill or piece of knowledge with her, she'll likely appreciate you more as a result. Being able to mentor her in some way demonstrates confidence and capability, which are very attractive qualities to women. For example, if you're knowledgeable about a certain topic like history, science, or philosophy, share some fascinating facts or insights with her. Or if you have a skill like playing guitar, cooking, or woodworking, offer to teach her the basics. It doesn't have to be anything too complex. Even just a quick tutorial can make her feel special. The key is to share your knowledge and skills in a way that's helpful and engaging for her. When you can teach her something new, it shows you have a lot to offer and that you're confident in your abilities. Women find that very appealing. So in summary, take the time to share your knowledge and skills with her. Teach her something new that she finds interesting and valuable. It's a great way to connect with her, build attraction, and show her what you have to offer. Women love to learn from men they admire, so take advantage of that opportunity. So, these are the 7 ways to make her miss you. Remember, understanding the emotional side of women and using these tips can work in your favor. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, see you later.